It's Jennifer and
Jane.
This is actually my sister, if you guys don't know. We are back again today for our annual mashup of songs of 2018, and these are just some of our favorites. If you don't hear yours, don't be offended.
Mostly Jen's favorites.
Okay, yeah. We hope you enjoy. We are not Ariana Grande, but we are trying.
But we're Camila Cabello.
No, we're not, and that's not even how you pronounce it.
Camila.
Okay, just stop. Okay, we hope you enjoy, and yeah.
I'm like, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Right now I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be like all the time. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? So you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every angle. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S, F-R-I-N-D-S. One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need. Just dropouts living at our mom's house. Parents must be so proud, they know it all. I ain't got no time for no games. Tell me what you like, but it's never gonna change. So you do what you wanna do, and I'm not going home with you, home with you. Cause girls like you ride around with guys like me to sundown. When I come through, I need a girl. I said I like it like that. Diamond District in the Jag. Said I like it like that. Certified, you know I'm gang. And she used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun don't set. And every day you know that we'd ride through the back streets of a blue Corvette. Now that's a real one in your reflection. Without a follow, without a mention. You're really hyping up on these hitters. You gotta be nice for what to these hitters? Thinking you could live without me. Thinking you could live without me. Had to have high hopes for a living. Shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision. Always had high hopes. I think it's time to practice what I preach. Exercise the demons inside me. Whoa, gotta learn to let it go. Isn't it lovely? All alone, I'm made of glass, my mind of stone. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user, I'm a mess. For your love it ain't new. I make no promises, I can't do golden rings, but I'll give you everything tonight. You're a world away, somewhere in the crowd, in a foreign place. Are you happy now? Baby, it hit so hard, I'm holding on to my chest. Maybe you left your mark, reminding me to forget. Yeah. You're stuck in my head, and I can get you out of it. If I could do it all again, I know I'd go back to you. Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind, I'm on my mind. My
our mashup of 2018. Let us know in the comments what song was your favorite of 2018. What was your favorite song?
Of this?
No,
or...
of like 2018.
Oh my
Well,
God.
no one's gonna know it because you listen to like weird songs.
No, it's not. Oh my gosh. Ask me. Wait, let me think about it. You go first. What was your favorite song of 2018?
Maybe Tokyo Nights by Digital Farm Animals.
That's so hipster.
No, it's not. It's like it sounds very mainstream though.
Oh.
Are we in a podcast right now? Dude,
Wait.
honestly, this is like podcast setup.
It is.
Wait, I really want to start a podcast.
About what?
Myself. Okay, what was your favorite song? Okay, wait.
No, just don't let me speak.
Wait.
It's Andy Grammer.
No one knows that.
It's actually pretty poppy. Young Bae, but that might have been from 2017.
Dude, none of this is gonna make it in.
Okay.
This is us just podcasting.
Okay.
ASMR. Welcome to our mashup. You probably think that you are better. You only say that because I'm not around. Not around. Surround sound. 360 ASMR.
All right, we hope you enjoyed this mashup. Hopefully, it was an improvement from last year because last year was atrocious.
Well, it wasn't too much to beat. Leave your comments down below. What was your favorite song in 2018?
I hope you guys have a great holiday season, and I will see you guys
Next
time.
year.
Bye!